Good afternoon, students. Today we are starting exercise 9.5. In exercise 9.5, we are using some identities. What is an identity? Identity is true for every value of the variable in it. Here, three identities we are using. First one, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. These three identities are known as the standard identities. So let us start. And the fourth one identity we are using here is b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now let us start exercise 9.5. Question number 1 is use suitable identity to get each of the following products. First one question is x plus 3 into x plus 3. X plus 3 into x plus 3 is x plus 3 whole square. As here positive sign is there, so we use a plus b whole square identity. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here we have to put a is equal to x and b is equal to 3. So on putting a is equal to x and b is equal to 3, x plus 3 whole square is equal to x whole square plus 2. इस आइडेंटिटी में हमें वैल्यू पुटअप करनी है. ए की जगह हम पुट करेंगे एक्स एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2. ए की जगह एक्स इंटू बी की जगह हम रखेंगे 3 प्लस 3 स्क्वायर. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3 2 ज़ा 6x प्लस 3 3 ज़ा 9. दिस इज द आंसर. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5. It means it is 2y plus 5 whole square. Now students, using identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here put a is equal to 2y and b is equal to 5. So it is 2y whole square plus 2 into 2y into 5 square. 2y whole square is 2 2 ज़ा 4 and y square plus 2 into 2y, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 into 5 is 20, 4 5 ज़ा 20 into y plus 5 square is 25. So our answer is 4y square plus 20y plus 25. Now the third question is 2y minus 7, 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7. So it can be written as 2a minus 7 whole square. We are using identity. Here minus sign is there. So we use a minus b whole square is plus b square. Here students put a is equal to 2a and b is equal to 7. So 2a minus 7 whole square is equal to 2a square minus 2 into 2a into 7 plus 7 square. A is equal to 2a and b is equal to 7 is placed here. 2a whole square is 2 2 ज़ा 4 a square minus 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 7 ज़ा 28, 28 a plus 7 7 ज़ा 49. Now the next question is 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2. So it becomes 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. We are using identity here. Which one? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Students put a is equal to 3a and b is equal to 1 by 2 here. So 3a minus half whole square is equal to 3a whole square minus 2 into 3a into half plus half square. 2 से 2 कैंसिल कीजिए. It becomes 3 3 ज़ा 9 a square minus 3a plus 1 upon 2 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 1 by 4. Now the fifth question is 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4. It is a minus b into a plus b. This is the third one identity. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Students put here a is equal to 1.1 m and b is equal to 0.4. On placing the values, we get 1.1 m whole square minus 0.4 whole square. 1.1 का multiply 1.1 into 1.1, we get 1.21 m square. You know the multiplication of decimals. Minus 4 4 ज़ा 16, there are 2 digits. After 2 digit decimal is placed here. Now the sixth question is a square plus b square into minus a square plus b square. We can arrange it as per our identity. So I am writing here b square plus a square into b square minus a square. This identity is like a plus b into a minus b. It is equal to a square minus b square. We have to put here a is equal to b square and b is equal to a square. So student, b square plus a square into b square minus a square is equal to b square square minus a square square. 2 to the 4, it is b to the power 4 minus 2 to the 4, a to the power 4. Now the seventh question is 6x minus 7 into 6x plus 7. Again 6x, a part is same and b part is also same, but first bracket contains negative sign and second bracket contains positive signs. So we will apply the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Students, put here a is equal to 6x and b is equal to 7. So we have 6x minus 7 into 6x plus 7 is equal to 6x whole square minus 7 square. 6 6 are 36, x square minus 7 7 are 49. Now 8th question is minus a plus c into minus a plus c. We can arrange it as c minus a into c minus a. It becomes c minus a whole square. Now apply a minus b whole square identity. Now question number 9. X upon 2 plus 3y upon 4 into x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4. Student, both the brackets are same, both the numbers or variables in the brackets are same and both have positive signs. So we will apply here identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Put a is equal to x upon 2 and b is equal to 3y upon 4 and solve the identity. The 10th question is 7a minus 9b into 7a minus 9b. 7a minus 9b into 7a minus 9b, it means 7a minus 9b whole square. Here we are applying identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Put a is equal to 7a and b is equal to 9b. Now on putting the values, we have 7a whole square minus 2 into 7a into 9b plus 9b whole square. 7 square is 49, 7 7s are 49, a into a square minus 9 7s are 63, 63 2s are 126 ab plus 9 9s are 81 b square. Now question number 2 is use the identity x plus a x plus square plus a plus b into x plus ab to find the following products. Here in this, first variable is same x, but a and b, these two are different. So we have to use this identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Look at here students, put x is equal to x, a is equal to 3, first one, and b is equal to 7. So x plus 3 into x plus 7 is equal to, on putting these values in this equation, we have x square plus a is 3 plus 7 into x plus 3 into 7. It is x square plus 7 plus 3 is 10x plus 7 3s are 21. Now second question is 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Again using identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Put x is equal to 4x, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. So we have x की जगह हम put the value in place of x as 4x, 4x whole square plus 5 plus 1 into 4x plus 5 into 1. 4 4s are 16, 16x square plus 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 4s are 24x plus 5 1s are 5. Now the third question is 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1 using the identity x plus a into x plus b. We have x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Put x is equal to 4x, a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to minus 1. Look at here. X is equal to 4x, a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to minus 1. 4x whole square plus a is minus 5 plus minus 1 into 4x plus minus 5 into minus 1. 4x whole square is 4 4s are 16, x into x is x square plus minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24, minus 24x is x plus minus minus is plus, 5 1s are 5. So our answer is 16x square minus 24x plus 5. Now the next one question is 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1. Students, we are applying this identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Put x is equal to 4x, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 1. So we get 4x whole square plus 5 plus b की जगह हमें क्या रखना है minus 1. So put here minus 1 into 4x plus 5 into minus 1. 4x whole square is 4 4s are 16, x square plus 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 1, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 into 4x minus plus minus 5 1s are 5. So it is 16x square plus 4 4s are 16x minus 5. Now question number 5, you have to solve it. It is very easy. Similarly question number 6. Now we are coming on question number 7, xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2. Similar identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Using that, put x is equal to xyz, a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to minus 2. On placing the values, xyz whole square plus a की जगह हम रख रहे हैं minus 4 plus minus 2 into xyz plus minus 4 into minus 2. It becomes x square y square z square plus minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 xyz plus minus plus 4 to the 8. So our answer is x square y square z square minus 6 xyz plus 8. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is find the following square by using the identity. It is b minus 7 whole square. In question number 1, we solve these questions. Use a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square identity. In this, students, we are putting a is equal to b and b is equal to 7. So put the values in the given identity. Now b minus 7 whole square is equal to b square minus 2 into b into 7 plus 7 square. It becomes b square minus 7 to the 14 minus 14b plus 7 7s are 49. Question number 2 is xy plus 3z whole square. Students, here plus sign is there and this is a, this is b, so it is the apply identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Put a is equal to xy and b is equal to 3z. Placing the values, we get this answer. Now question number 3, 6x square minus 5y whole square. Again the identity used is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here put a is equal to 6x square and b is equal to 5y. So on putting the values in this identity, we get 6x square whole square minus 2 into 6x square into 5y plus 5y whole square. We have 6 6 are 36, x square into square is x to the power 4 minus 6 5 are 30, 32 are 60, 60 x square y plus 5 5 are 25 y square. The fourth question is 2 upon 3m plus 3 upon 2n whole square. On using identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, Dear students, put A is equal to 2 upon 3m and B is equal to 3 upon 2n. So we get A is equal to 2 upon 3m whole square plus 2 into A is 2 upon 2m upon 3 into 3 upon 2n. Cancel 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 plus 3 upon 2n whole square. On solving this, we get this answer. Now, question number 5. 0.4p minus 0.5q whole square. On using identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Put a is equal to 0.4p and b is equal to 0.5q. On putting the values in this identity, we have 0.4p whole square minus 2 into 0.4p into 0.5q plus 0.5q whole square. 4 4s are 16, so it is 0.16p square minus 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40, it is 0.40pq plus 5 5s are 25, 0.25q square. Now the last question you have to do by yourself. It is very easy. In this we are using identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, in which you have to put a is equal to 2xy and b is equal to 5y. Now student, question number 4. Simplify. A square minus b square whole square. Here on using identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, put a is equal to a square and b is equal to b square. Putting the values in the identity, we get square of a square minus 2 into a square into b square plus square of b square. Square of a square is a to the power 4 minus 2 a square b square plus b to the power 4. Now second question, 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2y minus 5 whole square. It is square minus b square. It is in the form of a square minus b square. So put here a is equal to 2x plus 5 and b is equal to 2x minus 5. And we are using the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Put a is equal to 2x plus 5 and b is equal to 2x minus 5. Putting the values in this, we get 2x plus 5 plus 2x minus 5 into 2x plus 5 minus of 2x minus 5. Here plus 5 minus 5 is cancelled out. 2x plus 2x will be 4x into 2x plus 5. Minus sign is before the bracket, so on solving the bracket we change all the signs in the bracket. Minus 2x plus 5. Minus 2x is cancelled with plus 2x. Now we have 5 plus 5 as 10. 4x into 10 is equal to 40x is our answer. The third question is 7m minus 8n whole square plus 7m plus 8n square. Students, in this first equation we use a minus b whole square identity, and here we use a plus b whole square identity. So two identities are here. So on adding these two identities, we get a square minus 2ab plus b square plus a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2ab is cancelled out by plus 2ab. So it is a square plus a square plus b square. So we can say that it is 2a square plus 2b square. So put a is equal to 7m and b is equal to 8n in this identity. So we get 2 a square 2 into 7m whole square plus 2 into 8n whole square. 7 7s are 49m square into 2 plus 8 8s are 464 n square into 2. 49 2s are 98 m square plus 64 2s are 128 n square. This is the solution, or we can do in other form also. In question number, next question is 7m minus 8n whole square plus 7m plus 8n whole square. Students, फर्स्ट में भी हमें क्या a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर वाला फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना है, एंड हियर वी हैव टू यूज़ a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना है। दोनों को आप अलग अलग सॉल्व करिए, फिर दोनों को एक साथ ले लीजिए, you will get the same answer. From question number 4 we will do in the next chapter. We will continue the next sums, the next video. So thank you students.